Gold remains the only investment in the history of mankind that has never lost its value. That is why you should buy gold regularly now to gain financial independence for as little as $50 per month. Our online depot provides the ideal solution. Buy on a regular basis so you are independent, regardless of the gold price, while securing physical precious metal bullions with certificates of authenticity. Stay in control of all your transactions. Utilize our e-service for your precious metals. Pay bills. Transfer your precious metals between other depots, or sell them in part or in whole to us, and take advantage of our buyback guarantee. Fast and easy. Security is important to us. That is why all of the stored precious metals are 100% insured and are monitored and inspected on a regular basis by an independent auditor to guarantee authenticity and physical availability. Buy precious metals regularly without any fixed contract or maturity or payment obligation, but with a 100% guarantee of authenticity for your gold and silver at a rate that is below the average market price. Upon request, we are pleased to deliver your acquired precious metals to any desired destination. Register your personal precious metals depot now online and become an owner of precious metals.